Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Home Gardening 480. Today we are going to be putting in the ground there some potatoes. I'm going to turn the time over to Sonia. She already started working here doing the trench, so time is yours.
Okay. I got potatoes from two sources. One, I bought a small bag of potatoes at Lowe's or Home Depot, I can't remember which, and they were already sprouted, so they've been sitting on my counter getting more sprouts. They're both Yukon Gold, and then these I had ordered from Gurney's, and I had to put them in one of the cabinets to get them to sprout. I watched a video that said you need to pre-sprout your potatoes. There's some fancy term for that, but you need to pre-sprout your potatoes before you put them in the ground. So I did that. We waited on these. I could have planted them a week or two or more ago, but I needed these other ones to sprout. There's a couple of the bigger ones that really only, where is it? Actually, this one doesn't look like it has any sprouts. I want to hurt that. And then this one, very, very small sprouts. So I'm just going to bite the bullet and they're going to go in the ground. So you want to pre-sprout your potatoes, and you want to have them maybe smaller than this, maybe about this size. You want to make sure there's sprouts before you put it in. I was a little worried about this potato because it is a fragment of a potato or small potatoes, but it has sprouts, so I'm going to plant it. Anyway, we live in Arizona, and the native soil is alkaline, so I am going to put in a bit of the soil acidifier, and then I'm also going to put in this 10-10-10 all-purpose fertilizer. So in a month, after the sprouts have been coming up for a bit, I'm going to fertilize them again, and then a month after that I'm going to fertilize again, and then hopefully by that time we will have neared the end of our cycle for the potatoes. And then you stop fertilizing them when the plants start to die, let them die off, let them finish forming the potatoes, and then you dig them out. So hopefully it is March 6th, so hopefully by the end of May, yes, the end of May, that'll be approximately 90 days, maybe just shy of 90 days, we'll have harvest of potatoes. It'll be very hot by then. So, are you ready?
Yes.
I'm just going to broadcast a good bit of this fertilizer in each area here, because this is where all the roots and everything are going to be. And this row is approximate. I kind of prepped it maybe 3-4 inches deep, and then we're going to hill up some soil on top of this as the plants come up. Okay. And I think they say you want to try to space your potatoes out every 8 to 12 inches. How many do we have there, Osmond? How many potatoes do we have?
About 12.
About a dozen. So we'll put them about a foot apart. And then they like it slightly acidic, so I'm going to throw some little bit of sulfur in there too. Hold on. No, it's not really gardening. This is not. There are every company they tell me all the fertilizers won't buy that. I've bought several. So we're just gonna put these down. I'm just eyeballing it. And I don't have the arrangement. Around. Things that are foreground. I just wrap brushing this. Anyway, So if I had not to do another stuff, I just want to see on the other side. That will all that goes. So if you happen to any questions, no. Come on, great. Yes, it's great. Come on, great. Touch. Come on. I think we're going to into it, so. There it is.
So where's it? Anything?
Well, please, I'll try and wait a week and go here. Put some water. Now these should be coming up in a week or two. It shouldn't take that long for them to start to come up. So they're already pre-sprouted, so they should be starting to come up a week, 3 weeks max.
Okay.
It's going to be very warm here soon, so I don't think it'll take long at all.
Okay. Well, that's pretty much what we have for you guys today. We put in these potatoes and we're excited. First time we're actually doing this.
Yeah, first time for potatoes.
Yes. So we'll see how that goes. Let us know, guys, whatever works for you guys in the comments. Things that you have done that has worked for you that we could probably implement here in Arizona that might work for us. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you guys on our next video.